Fingerless Thumbaround? How does that even work? Like, do you spin the pen without fingers? Like, how is it supposed to do that? I'm a genius! Hey yo interneters! Welcome back to another video, and today we're gonna be learning how to do the Fingerless Thumbaround. And we will be talking about the steps that I use to help me learn this trick. And hopefully after you watch my experience with the video, you'll be able to do the trick as well. I want to take a quick moment to say thanks to David and for all of you who made suggestions on my video. I am in the process of working on majority of them. With that being said, let's get right into the video. So the prerequisite for you to do the Fingerless Thumbaround is, you guessed it, the Thumbaround. And you want to be able to do the Thumbaround very comfortably. So to do the Fingerless Thumbaround, you want to take the pen and stretch out your hand and hold the pen down with your thumb. And have the pen slightly slanted, almost perpendicular with your fingers. From here, you have the option to bend your middle finger and have the pen rest on top of your middle finger. For me, since I'm a newbie, I'll be practicing with the support of the middle finger. Remember that you will be holding the pen with your thumb. All you need to do is flick your wrist in a forward motion, and that should have the pen spin around your thumb. And you will need to catch the pen with your thumb by pressing down on the pen again. When you combine all those steps, it should look a little something like this. If you don't have any finger to support your pen, then it should look a little something like this. So when I got into learning the Fingerless Thumbaround, I was like, you know, it shouldn't be a little too hard because I already know how to do the Thumbaround. I think I can do it pretty well. So in this clip, I'm actually holding the pen, you know, trying to get ready, getting it comfortable in my hand so I could get it down in one go, you know, show my awesomeness. But yeah. Ooh. Ah, yay, bleh. Okay, people are watching, gotta get it right. So about 3 minutes into learning this Fingerless Thumbaround, I eventually got the pen to consistently spin around my thumb. It was just all in the flick of the wrist, but I did not focus on catching the pen yet. So at about roughly 8 minutes later, I was able to catch the pen, and from there I was able to do the trick with the support of my middle finger. So for those of you who learn with the support of the middle finger and you want to learn without it, it's not that hard. Wait a minute. I take that back. I mean, you can transition. All you have to do is keep your finger straight and do the exact same flick and you'll be able to do it. Just make sure you have the pen in the same position as you did with the support of the middle finger. The before I learned how to do the trick and the after I learned how to do the trick. And so I spent a total of 12 minutes and 25 seconds in learning the Fingerless Thumbaround, and I dropped the pen 189 times. And if you're still trying to learn this trick, remember to keep practicing because that's what it is all about when it comes to learning. If you haven't already done so, please hit that like and subscribe button for more content, and remember to follow me on my social media. The links are below. So I plan on posting 1 or 2 more videos this week, so please stay tuned to find out what those videos will be about. I'll try to make this a habit where I post multiple times a week, but don't take my word for it. I'm just saying, you know, it's just for the end card. I don't know what to put here, so I'm just gonna say that stuff. Yeah.